Hi, my name is Daniel here at Swansway Honda Stockport, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Honda Jazz 1.5 i-MMD SR. Now this vehicle has currently done 9,350 miles and it's finished in the colour Midnight Blue Beam. It sits very nicely on 15-inch wheels. You have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 304 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,203 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your lovely part leather interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of your steering wheel you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system. To the right you have your adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for motorway journeys. On the display here you've got access to different driving data. You can also access your audio and telephone menus. You also have your driver assist features. You have your pre-collision warning system and your lane departure warning system to keep you safe and secure while on the go. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. This system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB input and Bluetooth audio. You've got your Bluetooth telephone menu where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system also has smartphone connectivity with access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can easily pair your device up to safely make hands-free phone calls and texts and access compatible applications. Below from your display you have your automatic climate control, which is nice and simple to use. Below this you have two USB points and a 12-volt socket. In the center console you'll find your automatic gear selector along with your electronic handbrake.